Today is going to be a busy day. I need to remove the unproductive plants like this Brussels sprouts. It's forming loose leaves. The cauliflower is bolting. I'm waiting for the cabbages to be ready. It's getting hot. I want to harvest them and they're not yet ready. I have here some volunteer pepper plants. The second thing to do is to heal those small corn plants. It's windy in our area, so I have to heal some plants. De-weed this area. It's so difficult to control the Bermuda grass. They love to grow in the area where they are not wanted. I'm putting barrier like this because my husband will just mow the whole area. He cannot identify which one is the weed, which are the plants that I planted. I'm going to use this looper. Gosh, it's so hard. I need my two hands. I'm sorry for that noisy air conditioner. I have to uproot the plants. The bed is looking nice now. The small corn plants are tipping, so I have to heal them to help the roots anchor firmly in the ground or soil. Every week you have to allot a time to do some de-weeding. What should I plant in this area? Lemon verbena. It needs full sun and it can grow as tall as 3 feet. I like to grow some herbs in my squash patch. There's some mulch inside the hole, and this is my squash patch area. I also like some flowers in this area to invite pollinators. That's lantana. I'm using compost and alfalfa meal. I'm putting back the native soil. The second herb I'm going to plant is the lemongrass. I prefer to put mulch in the hole because my soil is clay, so it's quite compact to help in the drainage. Alfalfa meal. The NPK value of alfalfa is 5 nitrogen, 1 phosphorus, and 1 potassium. I'm sorry, the dog of my neighbor is so noisy. In order for the herbs to be effective companion plant, you have to bruise the leaves or make some cuttings so that the pest can smell the scent, which they don't like, so they're going to stay away from my squash. Petunias are good companion plants to peppers, asparagus, and tomatoes. They deter aphids, tomato worms, and asparagus beetles.